the Oceanside Trenchcoat Guy. I'm standing here by the dock down here in the harbor. It's a beautiful spring day. I'm just out here seeing if I can see any fish. Unfortunately, I don't see any, although the water is nice and clear and nice and warm. But I don't see any fish. There you go. Oh yeah, there's some people up on the dock.
Get down there.
Nice and warm. Says no swimming, but it doesn't say no walking.
Guys, all right?
So I'm just walking. What a beautiful day. So nice and calm here. Let's see. I'll go further. There we are. What? Why not? Doing a video. Yeah. No. There you go. Say hello.
Hello.
There you go.
How are you?
There we are. So where are you heading? Fishing?
Yes.
Well, good luck.
Yep.
So, we're out towards Catalina or closer in?
San Clemente.
Oh, San Clemente, that's a good spot to fish. Well, you're not allowed to stop on the island, but you sure fish next to it.
You're not cold?
No, the water's 64. So the water's nice and warm. And I got a coat on. How can I be cold with a coat on? So, yeah. Alright.
That's only video?
Uh-huh. Yeah, it's going to go on my YouTube channel. Oceanside Trenchcoat Guy.
Uh-huh.
So, here I am. Just relaxing on a beautiful spring day. Oh, here we go. Nice and comfy.
Oh, shoot.
There we are. Perfect. So this is Bruce, the Oceanside Trenchcoat Guy. I'm going to head up the shore, and I said a long way back to get back to my car. And by the time I get there, I'll probably be almost dry. So this is Bruce, the Oceanside Trenchcoat Guy, saying goodbye for now, and I'm going to sign off. Right now, here we go.